Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chrysler 300D generation here guys from year 2014 to year 2024. For any of you guys needing to find where the fuel pump, fuse and relay are located. They're actually in two different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Make sure you watch the video until the end before buying new fuel pump because it could be simple fix. And if you need to buy replacement parts too, so the good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. We'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the fuel pump, fuse and relay, where they're located. Let's demonstrate on that Chrysler 300 right here now guys. So where you can expect to find them. First, we're going to work in a fuse box that's under the hood. Open the hood, you will face the engine on your Chrysler 300. You may have a V6, V8, it should cover both engines. On the left side of the engine, that's the passenger side, that's the main engine fuse box. You see these tabs here, press them together, leave the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, here for the fuel pump, we need to check the relay guys. You wonder where that relay is located. You may or may not have this one guys, depending on which engine, which option you have as well, and what year Chrysler 300. But guys, for any of you that have it, it will be relay 54. You need to check right here. Now, another thing, open the trunk guys. In the trunk, leave the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire, that's the car battery on the passenger side. Right behind it is the main trunk fuse box. That's closer look of that fuse box. Press the tabs together, leave the cover up, and you have that layout here. Specifically here guys, you may have another relay, some models, and that's a relay 14. But the main fuse for the fuel pump is fuse 21, guys, okay, right here. This is the main fuse. Sometimes on some models that don't have the relays, it's known as relay fuse. Now, if you have problems with the fuel pump, we would recommend to test the fuel pump control module, guys. We'll have videos on the channels, how to replace, how to test each one of those for any of you needing help with that. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them guys, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.